As we begin creating buildings inside the metaverse, we need to be able to retrieve that information. So we need to find a way to be able to pull that information into the smart contracts. To do that, we're going to use a type of function called getter. So these functions are very easy to do and they're very short. They're essential, but very, very easy to do. So let's do it right now. First thing, let me comment out exactly what it is that we're going to do. So we're actually going to be leaving here some notes, and we're going to obtain the buildings in the metaverse right now. So I'm going to define obtaining the buildings made in the metaverse. Now I'll show you how easy it is to actually do this. The first thing we do is we establish function, and then it's get buildings. And the type will be public. It will allow us to view, so you don't have to run a transaction. It doesn't cost any gas, and it will return the information for building. So we will know the buildings that are inside the metaverse, okay? And we have a memory for this. Okay, what it's gonna bring us is the structure of these buildings. That's what we're getting back. So we're gonna return, and what we will get is the list of the public buildings that's here. So we will return buildings. Okay, that's all we need. Now we want to also get a valuable list. It's going to tell us how many NFTs are available. So we need to have the current supply of NFT tokens. How many tokens have been created? We need to know that information. So the way we're going to do that is first, current supply of NFT tokens. And as we define it, it's a function. That function is total supply. And then we need to then state that it's a public function view, so it doesn't cost you any gas, and it's going to return a value for us. How many tokens have been created? Is it 2, 3, 4, however many it will be? But how do we use this? The way we do it is we return a supply. Supply is a variable like counter, and counter will let us get back the number of how many current tokens are available. So if we look at it, we need a supply of the current NFT tokens that are available. And these two functions are going to help us as we develop this code to understand information from the blockchain.